Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I would like to start difference between cost accounting and management accounting. This topic already comes in your December 2017 examinations. The major difference between cost and management accounting is management accounting is primarily concerned with management. It involves application of appropriate technique and concept which help management in establishing a plan for reasonable economic objective, and it helps in making rational decisions for accomplishment of these objectives. Any workable concept or technique, whether it is drawn from cost accounting, financial accounting, economics, mathematics, and statistics, can be used in management accountancy. Right? The data used in management accountancy should satisfy only one broad test. It should serve the purpose that it is intended for. A management accountant accumulates, summarizes, and analyzes the available data and present it in relation to specific issues, decisions, and day-to-day tasks of management. A management accountant reviews all the decisions and analysis from management point of view to know how these decisions and analysis contribute to overall organizational objectives. Right? A management accountant judges the relevance and adequacy of available data from management point of view. So, the scope of management accounting is broader than the scope of cost accountancy. First difference, major difference is the scope of management accounting is broader than the scope of cost accountancy. Right? This is first point. Then, in cost accounting, primary emphasis is on cost and it deals with its collection, analysis, relevance, interpretation, and presentation of various issues of management. But in case of management accountancy, it utilizes the principles and practices of financial accounting and cost accounting in addition to other management technique for efficient operation of a company. So, in cost accounting, primary emphasis is on cost and it deals with collection, analysis, relevance, interpretation, presentation of various problems of management. But management accountancy utilizes the principles and practices of financial accounting and cost accounting in addition to other management techniques for efficient operation of a company. So it widely uses different techniques from various branches of knowledge like statistics, mathematics, economics, law, and psychology to assist the management in its task of maximizing revenue or minimizing losses. The main thrust in management accountancy is towards determining policy and formulating plans to achieve you know expected objective of management. So management accounting makes corporate planning and strategy effective. So from the above discussion we may conclude that cost accounting and management accounting are interdependent, greatly related, and inseparable also. Cost accounting and management accounting are interdependent, greatly related and inseparable also, as cost accounting is one of the part of management accounting and management accounting is wide, larger than the cost accountancy. Okay, so then what are the advantages of cost accounting? See, we have already studied about the advantages of costing system. Now, advantages of cost accounting. Cost accounting has manifold advantages, a summary of which is given below. It is not suggested that having installed a system of cost accounting, a concern will expect to derive all the benefits stated here. The nature and the extent of the advantages obtained will depend upon the type, adequacy, and efficiency of the cost system installed and the extent to which the various levels of management are prepared to accept and act upon the advice rendered by the cost system. Okay, so the cost accounting system has the following advantages. First advantages is cost system reveals unprofitable activities, losses or inefficiencies occur in any form such as wastage of manpower, idle time, lost time, then wastage of material in the form of spoilers, excessive scrap, etc., and wastage of resources, example, inadequate utilization of plant, machinery, and other facility. So, in this way, cost system reveals the unprofitability activities. Okay, cost system reveals unprofitable activities. First and important, cost system reveals unprofitable activities where, like wastage of manpower, how much wastage of manpower, आइडियल टाइम कितना हो रहा है, लॉस्ट टाइम कितना हो रहा है, वेस्टेज ऑफ मटेरियल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्पॉयलेज, स्पॉयलेज के द्वारा कितने मटेरियल वेस्टेज हो रहा है, हाउ मच ऑफ एक्सेसिव स्क्रैप, देन वेस्टेज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, एग्जाम्पल inadequate utilization of plant, machinery and other facilities, etc. Okay, then second important advantages of cost accounting is it locates the exact cause for decrease or increase in the profit or loss. Locate the exact cause for decrease or increase in the profit or loss. Okay, of the business. It identifies the unprofitable product or product line so that this may be eliminated or alternative measures may be taken. ये आइडेंटिफाई करता है पहले तो which is unprofitable product और product line, so that this may be eliminated, उसको eliminate किया जा सकता है और alternative action can be taken. Okay, then third most important advantages of cost accounting is furnish suitable data and information to the management. Furnish suitable data and information to the management to survey as a guide in making decision involving financial consideration. Then useful for price fixation. यूजफुल फॉर प्राइस फिक्सेशन, ये जो मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ ये इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है. उसको बेस करके हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कुछ सेंटेंस. ओके, सो ऑल्दो सेल प्राइस इज जनरली रिलेटेड मोर टू इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस प्रिवेलिंग इन द मार्केट देन टू कॉस्ट, द लेटर सर्विस as a guide to test the adequacy of selling prices. Then next advantages of cost accounting is with the application of standard costing and budgetary control methods, the optimum level of efficiency is set. With the application of standard costing and budgetary control, the optimum level of efficiency is set. Okay, तो स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग एंड बजट कंट्रोल के एप्लीकेशन के साथ हम लोग ऑप्टिमम लेवल ऑफ एफिशिएंसी सेट कर सकते हैं इन कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. देन कॉस्ट कंपैरिजन हेल्प इन कॉस्ट कंट्रोल. सिंपल, कॉस्ट कंपैरिजन हेल्प्स इन कॉस्ट कंट्रोल. कंपैरिजन में बी पीरियड टू पीरियड ऑफ द फिगर in respect of the same unit or factory or of several units in an industry by employing uniform cost and inter-firm comparison methods. So comparison may be made in respect of cost of jobs, process or cost center. So this topic may come in your examination. It will be 6 marks. Okay, so it will be 6 marks. So you just need to remember at least 6 point, I, 2I, 3I, IB, BI. 6 point is enough. If you write actual point, then you can secure out of 6 marks. Okay, so what are the advantages of cost accounting? First, cost system reveals the unprofitable activities. Then locate the exact cause for decrease or increase in the profit or loss. Then furnish suitable data and information to the management. Then useful for price fixation. Then with the application of standard costing and budgetary control, the optimum level of efficiency is set. Then cost comparison helps in cost control. 6 important point. First, cost system reveals the unprofitable activities. Then it locate the exact cause for decrease or increase in the profit or loss. कहाँ पर प्रॉफिट और लॉस इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज हो रहा है उसका एग्जैक्ट कॉज ये लोकेट करेगा कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. देन फर्निश सुइटेबल डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टू द मैनेजमेंट फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग. Then useful for price fixation. Then with the application of standard costing and budgetary control, optimum level of efficiency is set. Then cost comparison helps in cost control. So very important topic, both are very important. One, the relationship between cost accounting and management accounting. Then what are the advantages of cost accounting. Okay, so आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग एनालिसिस करेंगे अबाउट लिमिटेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम एंड इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट सिस्टम और कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.